how to make this immersive animation in Figma. So here I have a shape and a transparent portrait. So let's go to my shape and create a new component, then create a variant, then add a third variant. Now let's go to my frame and hit clip content. Next, let's go to the second variant and let's move this shape out of my component variant, and then there's two circles out the left, and this one's like that. And then let's select this shape and go to edit object, and let's exaggerate the perspective of my shape like that. All right, now let's go select the frame and hit clip content, and let's go to prototype and connect the first variant with the second one. After delay 1 millisecond, here smart animate, bouncy, and 1 millisecond. Now let's connect the second variant with the third one. After delay 1 millisecond, here smart animate, bouncy effect, and 2000 millisecond. All right, now let's go to my portrait, create component and two other variants. Then let's go to the second variant and scale it down like that. Now let's go to prototype and connect the first variant with the second one. Let's use the same settings of the shapes, the shape, the second with the third one. After delay 1 millisecond, and here 2000 millisecond. All right, now let's go to my frame, go to assets, let's drag the background shape and then the portrait. All right, now select the main frame of my hero and hit play.